Hello! In front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A3 Core. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, make sure to have this app downloaded. Then open it. Next, click plus in the right corner. Choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. And choose audio file. You can choose it from audio file, ringtone and text to speech.
Connected.
Then name it and give it description. After all, save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.